About Airtable for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Airtable for workflows. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on your specific sub account or multiple sub accounts. You can choose them at the same time. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is installed. The agency level is loading right now. The next step will be choosing the sub account on which we have installed Airtable for workflows. Let's do it. On the sub account, now we have to configure Airtables into our workflows. To do that, so we have to get the API key. First of all, we have to just scroll down towards app configuration in the navigation bar and find for Airtable. Here it is. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to get the API keys and set up your account for Airtable, and in the developers mode, in the settings, you have to create your API token and copy paste it here. Let me show you how to do that. Now we are in the Airtable sub account, and we have to just get towards the personal access tokens and name our token and set up all the scopes and also give access to all of the airspaces we need. Create a token with that. Here is the token. We have to copy paste this token to that platform and paste it there. Here we are, submit with that. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Let's just move forward towards the automations and create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder now, and let's just create a new action. Find for Airtable for workflows. As you can see, these are the variety of actions offered by Airtable for workflows. Let's just choose any from one of them and create an action. Let's just create a field. Choose another one. Let's just create a record. Enter the base ID and the table ID as well. Save this action now. Create some notes with that. Add some custom views. Find for Airtable for workflows. Create record. And you can choose the ID as well. Save this. And now we'll be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact to set an example at the moment. Run this. Now we will be heading towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action with the node is executed successfully. It's simple and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.